Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Zak's math class. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Why some students struggle with math. We did some digging and found a bunch of reasons, but we've narrowed it down to 8 key points. So, let's jump right in. Okay, first up, we've got students with a negative attitude towards math. You know how it goes when students think math is useless? They tend to just throw in the towel. You'll hear them grumbling, "Why do we need to learn these crazy formulas? We'll never use them." Next, a lot of students just can't connect the dots between the theorems and concepts. Teachers often say these students struggle with even the basics. It's tough when you can't see how everything fits together, right? Then there's the issue of practice. Seriously, mastering math is all about putting in the work with exercises. If you skip the practice, you're setting yourself up for a tough time. Moving on. Sometimes teachers just don't break things down in a way that's easy to grasp. Math should be like a universal language, but if it's not delivered right, it can be super confusing. Now, let's talk about concentration. If you're zoning out during lessons, it's pretty clear you're not going to succeed. Focus is key, my friends. The sixth reason is a lack of basic knowledge. Like, if you're in 12th grade and can't even handle simple percentages, maybe you should have brushed up on the basics before moving up. Skipping foundational concepts can really come back to bite you. Seventh, we've got the learning environment. If the classroom feels like a dump, who's going to want to learn? A messy or distracting space can totally mess with your concentration. Finally, let's chat about learning materials. Some folks are visual learners and need to see things to get it. If there aren't enough resources, it can really limit how much students can absorb. So, to wrap it all up, those are the 8 reasons we found through our research. If you think we missed something, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this convo going. Thanks for tuning in, guys.